Okay guys, we're going to see if these wet dry vac filters are going to fix the problem I'm having with our wet dry vac. Oh, I don't want to touch this. I'm going to go clean this before I put a bag in it. Okay, I am going to try these vacuum bags on this wet dry vac. Now I think what makes these ones different, this hole doesn't look big enough, but there's like perforations, and so I guess I could have read the instructions, but I think these just get bent in a little bit so it fits around here. Perfect. See if it stays on. Well, obviously that's working. Wow. Well, it's working so good I can't even vacuum the carpet because it sucks so hard. Okay, let's make sure the vacuum cleaner bag stayed in place while I was vacuuming. Yep, looks good. Yep, stayed in place perfectly. Worked awesome. So the vacuum bags that I bought were from the Zybapon store. These are the VF3503 vacuum bags that work with the Ridgid 5 to 10 gallon wet dry vac, size B. And this was a 10 pack that I purchased, so it was a really good value.